I'm going to make pork chops again, and they're going to be in a sauce that uses 1/3 cup of packed brown sugar. I'm use soy sauce, rice vinegar, fish sauce, ketchup, and Sambal Olek. Let's get started. It's good. First thing I do is I go ahead and make the sauce. It's 1/3 cup of packed brown sugar, 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, but I think any vinegar would work fine. 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 2 tablespoons fish sauce, 3 tablespoons of the Sambal Olek. You can add less. I think it makes it kind of medium spicy. The 3 tablespoons. I'm going to add a little bit of pepper. I'm going to add ketchup. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of ketchup or so. And this will be our sauce. I've been heating my pan up. I'm going to add some vegetable oil to the pan. I'm going to add my pork chops. I did salt and pepper the pork chops. And this goes pretty quick. So we're going to brown these on the first side. These got about 4 minutes. These are not really thick chops, but they're not thin either. Kind of medium. So they cooked 4 minutes on the first side and 3 minutes on the second. I'm on medium-high heat. I'm going to take them out quickly here, and I'm going to drain the fat. Okay. Alright, I got most of the fat out of there. I'm going to put these back in. And turn the heat down. And add our sauce. And let this cook. These have cooked 4 minutes in the sauce. I'm going to take them out. And I'm going to continue to let this sauce reduce. I have some rice on my plate. Here's my pork chop. Oops. Put some sauce on. Go. Add a little cilantro if you like cilantro. And let this cool down for a second, and I'll be right back. Let's have a bite. I made this the other night, and this is a recipe that I changed just a tiny bit from Root Boy Cooks. I'll give you a link to him. He's a good cook. He makes mostly everything on the barbecue. He's quite entertaining, quite good. Delicious. So good. If you let that sauce reduce even more, like this, It's so good. Thank you so much for watching.